Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. We're working on another green and black epoxy clip here, so we're fixing to throw the noisemakers on and get with it, so enjoy the show. Hope everybody's having a great day. Please like, subscribe, check out my description, all that good stuff. I'll have a link for Spike Williams' fundraiser in my description. Y'all go check that out, give it a share.
Grumpy shop buzzing, hum of the lathe, epoxy dripping, roach clips engraved, dust clouds rising, therapy's here, pain made tangible, it's crystal clear. Aliens peeping through a cracked skylight, colors glow heavy, bending the night. Stuff's made in pain, it's a vibe, it's insane. Dust therapy session, let it all drain. Lathe spins the tails, epoxy takes flight. Hit the glow, colors ignite. Like and subscribe, let the madness remain. Tools talk dirty, whispers and steel. Grumpy don't smile, but the craft's surreal. Bent wood, warped dreams, resin that sings. Roach clips stacking, alien gleam blings. Shop smells chaos, but the art's divine. Pain in the veins, but the work alive. Stuff's made in pain, it's a vibe, it's insane. Dust therapy session, let it all drain. Lathe spins the tails, epoxy takes flight. Hit the glow, colors ignite. Like and subscribe, let the madness remain. Aliens sneaking, but they can't comprehend. The shop's a portal where the rules suspend. Lathe spins the cosmos, epoxy's a spell. Grumpy's creation straight out of hell. No, it don't just happen, it's sweat and grind. Colors glow loud, leave the haters behind. Stuff's made in pain, it's a vibe, it's insane. Dust therapy session, let it all drain. Lathe spins the tails, epoxy takes flight. Hit the glow, colors ignite. Like and subscribe, let the madness remain.
Alright, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time it may be. Okay, unfortunately, at the end of this clip, somehow or another, I lost footage of me polishing it up. But we're back in the box, and we're going to tie it up, and you'll see it from there. But yep, somehow or another, I lost a whole daggone thing. I must not have hit record or something on my camera. But here we go. Enjoy. Alright, they say. We are back in the box. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. Thank you for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, hey, hit that subscribe button, it's free. I do this stuff once a week for sure. Alright, we're going to attach the clip on here. I've already stretched it out, so it's ready to crimp on and get with it. It is hot again today. I guess that's going to be the story for here on out. It's just Florida, and it's that time of the year. Remember, when you crimp here, don't get your wood too aggressive. Do not want to split that tip. That is the integrity of your clip. If that wood is split right there, then it's going to be weak and it's going to break the first time somebody goes and put a joint on there. So, yeah. Alright. Let's see here. We go 1 pull, 2 pulls, 3 pulls. Alright, who was it? I believe it was Todd from LJ's Woodworkings. I gotta go back and check, but he asked if I used braided line to wrap my clip. It was stronger. I answered back that no, I don't use the braided because it doesn't twist up as tight. Like this is braided line right here. I use it from a puller. It looks the same, but when you go to wrapping it down, it doesn't, I don't know how to explain it. It just is too thick for my liking. That's all I can say. I'm a creature of habit. I'm used to using that cotton thread that I used to use. I used that for so many years that I'm just used to stuff that's about that diameter. And just covers better for me that way, I guess. But if it's too thick, then when I'm wrapping and tying my clip right here, it's gonna bunch up real thick and be a big old knot right here on the end of the stick. So the thinner the line, I guess, the better it lays down, more uniform and flatter against everything. I don't know how to explain it, but goodness, it's hot. My fan was not blowing on me, it was pointing in the opposite direction. We had us a bunch of rain this morning, so that has made it just as humid as it can be.
Grumpy's in the zone, hand steady like a surgeon, tools is thrown. Fire in his eyes, passion in the grind, turning wood to treasure, one of a kind. Spaceships blink, orbit in the groove. Grumpy's rhythm makes the galaxy move. Saw blade symphony, aliens approve. Dust therapy heals, no need to prove. Epoxy glowing so bright, so bright. Medication
it's hot, people, it's hot. This is number 3 out of the green and black blanks that I've done with the pressure pot. So this would be the first series of those tied and ready. Remember right here, don't wrap too tight. You wrap it too tight on this part, you won't pull it back through too good. That's always been my issue, is I wrap it too damn tight. Back at the top. I'll wrap my puller here so I can grab it. We had about a pull worth of thread left.
Grumpy's in the
Not too bad.
Spins wild, epoxy roach clips stacked up like a pile. Glow so bright it burns the night. He's rolling tight, he's taking flight.
Okay. Alright, remember, don't cut that wrap longer than, don't cut your little tip longer than your wrap. Don't, no knots or no strings sticking out. Oh, that goes tight again. There we go. Alright. Floating on laser beams. I gotta pick up this thread here. My goofy dog will come back through here and try to eat that. And could you imagine what happens when a dog eats a bunch of string? They tried to make rock candy on a string when they're done. I'll leave that up to your imagination. Y'all can go from there. Alright. We grabbed the wrong bottle. We need the super glue for this. Let's see. Go ahead, Where's our toothpick at? Let's put some glue on here, let it soak up. Lost the drop. I think we got too much glue on there now, but that's okay. We'll walk it around, let it soak in good.
Grumpy's in the groove tonight. Lathe spin sparks like stars in flight.
Bring it
Epoxy
back
Roach
to the
clips gleam
end.
so tight. The glow is wild, the vibe's alive, spinning circles till the break of 5. Grumpy's got his medication rolled tight.
Some of that glue, that's just a little too much glue.
Oh yeah.
Didn't soak it up like I wanted it to as quick, so
Grumpy's got his medication
put too
rolled
much in
tight.
there. There
Ready
we
to
go.
soar on that interstellar flight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's taking off tonight. Hands on the wheel of his cosmic machine. Epoxy drips like a technicolor dream. Nothing's too weird, nothing's too extreme. Nothing's too extreme, nothing's too extreme. Saturn's rings, he skips like stones. Neon galaxies hum their tones. Grumpy sees in his zone.
Alright, we'll let that super glue dry. That's number 3. Let's see. Yep, this was number 1. It was just, we did a simple shape to that one. It come out pretty good. That was number 2. I like number 2 the most. It swirled up the best.
He's taking off tonight.
I was gonna say I needed to fill in the hole. Ooh, my nerves is in my neck is good. My hands are shaking bad today. Take and put a little bit of UV epoxy just in the tip where the lathe grabbed the blank. Most of the time I sand it and polish it off to where there's no hole whatsoever, but I forgot to cut it out on these 3, so I just filled it up with a little bit of UV epoxy. Excuse me, and let it go from there. There you go. Yeah. Super glue drop that fell through just bit me. Wow. A pretty clip, and I've got super glue.
Grumpy shop buzzing,
Paint
hum of
on
a
it right
lathe.
here.
Epoxy dripping, roach clips engraved. Dust clouds rising, therapy's here. Pain
Wow,
made tangible
I'll have
as
to try to
crystal
polish
clear.
that off now.
Aliens peeping through
That
a cracked
sucks.
skylight. Colors glow
This is my favorite one too.
Stuff's made in pain.
Oh well, maybe I can polish that out. But those are the 3. This one was my favorite, but I boogered the side right there. I got to try to buff that out with some more polish. We'll see what happens. But yeah, let's see. They all glow pretty good.
Tools talk dirty, whispers and steel. Grumpy don't smile, but the craft's surreal. Bent wood, warped dreams, resonance.
I still like that one there. It looks the best.
Shop smells chaos, but the heart's divine. Pain in the veins, but the work alive.
Alright. Thank you for watching. That's another clip done. Tied and polished and all that good stuff. The 3 of the green and black are done. All tied, glued, and ready to go. You made it this far, please hit that like and subscribe. Leave me some comments. Don't forget to check out my description. I'll have a link for Spike Williams' Fundraiser. Y'all go check it out. Thank you. Y'all have a great day.
Aliens sneaking but they can't comprehend. The shop's a portal where the rules suspend. Lathe spins the cosmos, epoxy's a spell. Grumpy's creation straight out of hell. No, it don't just happen, it's sweat and grind. Colors glow loud, leave